Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your friend Diane, and today I'm going to show you the emulator that is very light and which can work with all your low-end PCs, and it is free to install. And I see many people using very heavy Android emulators which do not work well. It's like bluestacks and Nox players, but today I'm going to show you the lightest Android emulator and which can work with all your low-end PCs and which is very easy to use. So first, the name of this emulator is Smart Gaga. So first you need to install it. I have already installed it, but I'm showing you this process to make you all clear. So yeah, first you need to open Google Chrome and search for Smart Gaga download. You can see I have already searched. So now you need to go to the third site, which is boomguru.com. So this is the official site and you can download it from here. So now you need to go to the lowermost part of the page. You can see many instructions and other things about this emulator. You can also see the system requirements. So yeah, now we have finally came to the download page. So here is the download link, and there are two versions, KitKat and Nougat. The KitKat version is the old version and it does not have the latest apps and the features and also the games. So yeah, you need to download Smart Gaga Android 7.1.2 Nougat, which is of 286 MB. So I have already downloaded it. So now let me show it to you. So yeah, you can see it is here, setup Android FS. So this is the file. Now you need to open the file and install it in the same process that you install other apps. Now, okay, I've already installed it. So now let's open Smart Gaga. So yeah, here you can see a box before opening. So now you need to click on yes, then it opens. The default settings for Smart Gaga is for the mobile screen display, and I have already changed it to tablet. You can also keep it in mobile as well as tablet. So there are many settings which I'll show you later. It's taking a bit time to open. My laptop is slow right now because of the apps which are running in the background. So yeah, you can see it is loading. You need to change the settings from here. You can see here. Yeah, the basic settings. There are some advanced settings like resolution. The custom is mobile and 720 into 1280. But I have changed it into tablet. So yeah, you can also select your CPU and RAM. So I have selected 4 cores and RAM is 1024 and render is DirectX. So yeah, the playback and microphone are the default. So yeah, you can see games, qualities, and now I've closed it. So when it reaches 98%, it takes some time. So yeah, after this opens, you need to sign into your account and then you can use Play Store and other apps. I had already used it before, and right now I'm just showing you. So I'll show you by installing an app, and then you can be clear. So I'll also show you some settings. So here, if you go the 3 bars, then you can see clear cache, free memory, rotate screen, settings, check for update, feedback, about. So here are some options of apps, and they are not installed. You need to install them. So you can see I have already installed some games. So yeah, you don't need your own internet connection because it has its own wired SSID. So yeah, you can turn on auto rotate like in other Androids, and you can also uh, increase and decrease your brightness. So here is the settings option, and here is the customize option. So you can see the date and day just like other tablets and phones, Android. So now I'm gonna go to Play Store. I've already installed some apps, but I'm going to show you by installing one app. Okay, I'm going to install Google Chrome. It is taking some time to process because of the apps which are running in the background. So here in the side you can see the full screen option, keyboard settings, install external app. You can also install other apps which are not given in Play Store, increase volume, decrease volume, screen capture, multi-instance, GPS settings. So what's happened right now? So I mistakenly opened GPS settings. I need to reopen it. So yeah, I was in GPS settings, and here you can see the SEC. With this SEC option, you can rotate your screen, and here is the settings option that I showed you before. From here also you can do it in full screen mode, and here too. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you by installing app because of my Windows is lagging, and I have many other jobs to do right now. So yeah, you can see it is opened. So you can see I have already installed many games, and you can install it from Play Stores from the Play Store like you do in your Android phone. So yeah, this was for today. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you again.